LLMs are a groundbreaking type of artificial intelligence that has significantly advanced natural language processing. By training on vast datasets of text and code, LLMs can understand, generate, and manipulate human language in ways that were once thought impossible. Think of it as a supercharged version of predictive text on your phone. Instead of just suggesting the next word, it can write an entire article, generate a poem, or even produce code based on a simple prompt. LLMs are built on deep learning architectures, specifically transformer networks, which allow them to process sequences of data efficiently. They undergo a process called supervised learning, where they predict the next word in a sequence by analyzing massive amounts of text and code. If you talk about data collection, these models are trained on vast datasets stored from online resources, books, and other forms of written content. Next is model training. The model learns by processing this data and adjusting its internal parameters to improve its ability to generate text, translate languages, and perform other language-related tasks. If we talk about fine-tuning, once trained, LLMs can be customized for specific tasks, such as writing marketing copy or providing legal summaries. For example, imagine training an LLM on a medical textbook. After fine-tuning, it could assist doctors by summarizing patient cases or suggesting potential diagnosis. LLMs demonstrate remarkable capabilities in natural language processing. In text generation, they can produce human-quality text, including stories, poems, articles, and even code. In language understanding, LLMs can comprehend text, identify sentiment, and extract key information. In natural language processing, they excel in tasks like machine translation, summarization, and question answers. Of these capabilities, we give an input to large language model, it processes it and gives our desired output. Now, let's see how an LLM generates text. The process involves a user input, providing a prompt or instruction for the LLM to follow. Next step is LLM processing. The LLM analyzes the input and generates text based on its training data and context. Last is the text output. The LLM produces a generalized text, which could be a story, a poem, or a summary. LLMs have diverse applications across various fields. They power chatbots that engage in natural conversations, providing customer support and offer personalized recommendations. LLMs can generate articles, stories, poems, and scripts, automating the creative process. They facilitate seamless, multilingual interactions by language translation. The development and deployment of LLMs raise important ethical considerations. Bias mitigation refers to addressing biases in training data and model outputs to ensure fair outcomes. Transparency and explainability refers to making the workings of LLMs transparent and ensuring their decisions and outputs can be understood. Accountability means establishing mechanisms for responsible use of LLMs and holding developers and users accountable. For example, when deploying an LLM in a legal context, it's crucial to ensure that its recommendations are unbiased and that users understand how it arrived at its conclusion. The future of LLMs and their impacts on society can transform society in various ways. In automation, they will increase efficiency and productivity by automating tasks. If we talk about creativity, it will empower individuals with new creative tools, fostering innovation in art, design, and other fields. Knowledge access. Democratizing information access, enabling people to learn and understand the complex topics easily. In human-computer interaction, it enhances interactions with computers for more natural communication. For example, in education, LLMs could provide personalized tutoring, helping students understand difficult concepts and improving their learning outcomes.